Hi all, it's been a while but I'm back. I'm going to show you how to make New York style cookies. Yum. Okay, these are all the ingredients you'll need. Flour, cocoa powder, bicarb baking powder, butter, brown sugar and granulated sugar. We're making them mint flavoured, so some Aero mints, some chocolate chips, just one egg, and some peppermint extract. Don't worry though, I'll put all the ingredients and amounts on at the end. So you're wanting to beat your two sugars, your brown sugar and your granulated sugar and your butter together until it's creamy like this. If you've got an electric whisk, by all means use it, but I just want to show you that it can be done by hand quite easily. Then if you add your one egg and your peppermint extract and whisk it up again. So if you add your dry ingredients and mix it together until it forms a dough, then add your chopped chips and your mint Aero balls and give it a good mix again. So you should have something that looks a bit like this. Sometimes you're better just getting your hands down to getting in there. This makes 8 cookies. Now that's 8 very large cookies. You've got to remember they're New York style, so they're massive. So you have to put these in the freezer first for 30 minutes. So to get your 8 cookies, I usually break it in half. So you've got 2 balls of cookie dough. And then each one of these into 4, so half again, and then half again, and then that's you've got your 8. Half it. If you've got scales you could weigh them, about 110 grams each. Half again. And then roll it into a ball. So it should be roughly about that size. Stick it in the freezer for 30 minutes once you've got all 8 sorted. So you cook these at 180 in your oven for 12 minutes. I do 4 on each tray as they spread out a little bit. And what you do is once you take them out of the oven, leave them to sit for 30 minutes because they continue to cook. So when you first take them out you might think, oh no, these aren't ready, but trust me, leave them for 30 minutes once they're out. So what I like to do when they come out of the oven is to get a spatula and just squeeze them down a little bit. But remember what I said, keep them on the tray for 30 minutes because they still keep cooking. Look at that. So these are best eaten on the day they're baked, but if you top them up, stick them in the microwave for 20-30 seconds, brings it back to the gooiness.